Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the PGSharp for iOS and Android. So if you guys do not know, this is a crazy Pokemon Go spoofer. So what you want to do is go to tweakmod.com and just type in PGSharp, and as you can see, here it is. So go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step to install the PGSharp. Basically, what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official App Store, and this should install PGSharp into our phone. So this is an incredible spoofer because it comes with many features like joystick, bar on the right side of the screen that's going to show you all the nearby Pokemon. It's super crazy, so let's just wait for this to download, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, it is loading right here. So basically what we need to do is just complete the last step, which is the verification. It's just download 2 apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So basically I just need to download like 2 of these. Like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. I could do this Travel Town, which says reach level 9. Family Island says reach level 11. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, so then you should have PGSharp on your device. And it's a really cool spoofer because it has a lot of benefits over playing the normal Pokemon Go. Obviously, you have the joystick, so you can actually walk around Pokemon World from your house. You get the joystick, you get the bar on the right side of the screen. There's also a tutorial video here, so if you're really lost, you can watch that, and it might help you out. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if you guys are interested in getting PGSharp for your phone, definitely try this out, guys. So yeah, tweakmod.com, that's the website where you can download this. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is updated, guys, for 2025, so you can enjoy it right away. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to tell your friends about it because this is updated, fully working method, guys. So yeah, peace out, my gang.